everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be working with distress inks, and I apologize in advance that this is not really like a complete video like I normally do. Normally I'll show the stamping and Copic coloring, but for some reason this is the second time I've had to make this card because my videos are like not showing up on my computer. So I've been having a lot of problems with it, and originally the part that had the Copic coloring in it was good on my computer until I started making this video, and it was nowhere to be found. So I'm not quite sure what's happening with my computer right now. But I am still showing you this awesome distress ink background, and I used 7 different distress inks for this. I started with the tumbled glass, then moved to the broken china, the peacock feathers, salty ocean. Now I'm going to go ahead and use the blueprint sketch, and I am using just a piece of cardstock kind of as my guide and as the mask for the rest of the card. And where the mask is, right next to that, is going to be a lot of ink, and then I'm going to fade that off so that the color kind of gets lighter. The next color is Faded Jeans. These are all blue distress inks, and you can create this with any color of distress inks that you want. I've even done it with a rainbow. That looks really cool. So I just think this is a fun technique with them. And my last color is Chip Sapphire. So I'm going to be using the Mint Owl Studio Mermaid stamp set. It will be linked below if you're interested. So I want this to look like a water background. So I'm just taking my mister bottle and putting some water droplets right onto my cardstock. And then I'll go ahead and take my cloth and pick up any excess water so that you're going to have those water spots in the background. Okay, so like I said, I have all of my pieces already cut and colored. I love this stamp set. I think it is adorable in the little creatures. And then I'm taking my background and putting that onto a blue card base. And this is another Valentine's Day card, since as you can tell, this is part of my Valentine's Day card series. Like I said, it was supposed to go up a couple days ago, but I've been having so many problems with my computer, and it's been driving me insane. So I'm just taking my multi-matte medium and gluing down the seaweed first, because this is going to be a little bit of a scene on my card. So I colored 2 of those seaweed pieces, and I'm going to go ahead and put my crab onto the card. And then I have a seahorse and then an angelfish that I'm also going to just be using my multi-matte medium for. And I colored these with Copics. Like I said, you can use any medium that you prefer. And then for the mermaid, I'm going to go ahead and put her onto the card with some 3D foam squares, just so that there's a little bit of extra dimension on the card. I actually had made a background like this with a rainbow. It was a Christmas card, and I didn't have time to edit the video, and I figured I shouldn't probably post it now. Maybe I can post the card on Instagram or something though, because I really like the way that the background turned out. Otherwise, I can just remake it onto a different card. Alright, so then it's time to stamp my sentiment. Like I said, this is a Valentine's Day card, so it says "We mermaid for each other." And I'm using my Tuxedo Black Memento ink for that. And then I was going to add some water droplets on there, but instead I saw that I had these crystals and I really like the look of them, so I'm going to add a few of those onto my card. I'm just going to place some little dots of the multi-matte medium down and then place one of the crystals in each of those dots of adhesive. And when I went back and looked at my original card that I had actually made like this, I added some Wink of Stella glitter pen to the fish, the seahorse, the crab, and then to the mermaid's tail. So you can definitely go in and add some more sparkle to that, or whatever you would like on the card. But this is my finished card for today. So let me know, share pictures with me if you guys try this distress ink background on your cards. I would love to see them. And I will see you guys back here next time. Bye everyone!